Once upon a time, in a quiet house, three people lived together. There was a husband named Satoshi, his wife named Haru, and Satoshi's dad. Every morning in this house started the same way. Chihiro would wake up very early to cook breakfast. The house would smell like a delicious soup and rice. Satoshi's dad loved this smell. It made him feel so happy because his own wife had passed away and he used to be very lonely. But Satoshi was very busy man. He worked as a civil servant, which means he had a serious job helping the city. He liked things to be perfect. One morning, he got upset because his tie was not ironed. He told Chiharu, "Don't you think about how I look at work?" He didn't want this routine to be messed up. Satoshi cared a lot about the schedule and his work, but sometimes forgot to be kind to his wife. Satoshi and Chihiro had been married for 5 years. For all those years, Chihiro stayed at home to take care of the house and the dad and the father-in-law. Dad, the father-in-law liked Chihiro very much. He told people she was a good girl who always came straight home. But there was a big problem. Satoshi was always working. He would stay at the office until 10 p.m. at night. When he came home, he don't spend good time with Chihiro. The dad had one big wish. He wanted to see grandchild. He told Satoshi, "All I want to see my grandchild faces." But Satoshi would get frustrated. He told his dad and Chihiro, "I am working hard to protect you guys. Where do I have to time for this? I have to make secure your future. So that's why I can't think about making a family or making child." Key point. Chiharu was lonely, alone girl. She's so beautiful, and the dad wanted a baby in the house, and Satoshi was so busy to their feelings. Because Satoshi was never home and always tired, the dad started to notice Chiharu was very bored. He saw that the marriage was not happy. Every day was exactly the same. Satoshi left at the same time and came home at some time after 10 p.m. The dad thought to himself, it's impossible to see my grandchild face if the things stay like this. He felt sorry for Chiharu. He decided he wanted to do something to help her. He thought Chiharu need to feel more confidence as a woman. But instead of helping Satoshi and Chiharu talk to each other, the dad decided to step in himself. He started to spend more time with Chiharu while Satoshi was at work. One Monday, things got very bad. Chiharu was feeling sick and had been sleeping, so she did not make dinner. When Satoshi came home, he was very angry. He did not ask Chiharu if she felt okay. Instead, he said, You have ruined my routine. Are you even my wife?" He called it the worst Monday just because dinner wasn't ready. Chiharu felt very sad and alone. Once Toshi went to sleep, the dad stayed up and he told Chiharu, "You had a tough day, didn't you?" He was being kind to her when her husband was being mean, but this kindness was leading to a very big secret. Soon something changed in the house. When Satoshi went to work, Chiharu and Dad were not just talking anymore, they having a secret affair. This means they were acting like a couple even though Chiharu was married to Satoshi. The dad and Chiharu thought they were safe because Satoshi was always busy with his routine, but one night the routine changed. Satoshi came home and found a door locked. He realized his father and was not alone. She was with his own father. The big twist: the husband who worked so hard to protect his family and keep the routine ended up losing his wife to his father because he don't give her enough love or time. What will Satoshi do? Will he stay in the house or he will leave? The story shows how being busy and serious work at work is not important as being to be kind to people who we love at home. Thank you for watching this story about the shadows and the one can instead of home. Remember you to always talk to your family so no one can feel lonely.